DraftSight logo. Floor plans, we can do those too. There's really not much that this tool can't do. And lastly, I want to pause on this one. What do you think the odds are of trying to being able to actually trace something like that? This is our boss's pet project, right? It's a German UFO sighting from like 150 years ago, something like that. What do you think? Is it gonna work? Watch this. Real time. Boom. Done. Right, so that is image vectorization technology. So I'll just go in, this is just a simple example of a connecting rod. And my first and second line here. And then run power trim, which is one of my best friends inside of DraftSight. Love that tool. Push pull, just created my solid. Now, into SolidWorks, running simulation. I mean, how cool is that?
With the new DraftSight 2019 product portfolio, you can choose between flexible offerings that let you design the way you want and achieve your design goals. DraftSight Standard is an essential 2D CAD drafting solution with a familiar user interface and fundamental 2D drawing tools. DraftSight Professional is an advanced 2D CAD drafting solution with powerful time-saving functionalities and an API to bring your designs to life quickly and easily. Looking to add network licensing and full technical support? Then choose DraftSight Enterprise. DraftSight Premium offers a robust 2D drafting and 3D design experience with full 3D capabilities and features that meet all your drafting, modeling, prototyping, manufacturing, laser cutting, and 3D printing needs. If your organization needs network licensing and full technical support, DraftSight Enterprise Plus is right for you.